Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to select or change your route in Waze. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll need to create a route to work with. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it to bring up the keyboard, then type in the location or address you want to navigate to. Once you see your desired destination appear in the search results, go ahead and tap on it to select it. After selecting your destination, you'll see a button that says Go Now at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this button to begin setting up your navigation. This tells Waze that you're ready to start your journey and want to see the available routes to your destination. Now here's where you can access different route options. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll notice a route icon. This icon typically looks like multiple paths or lines, and it's specifically designed to give you access to alternative routes. Tap on this icon to open up your routing options. Once you tap the route icon, a panel will appear showing you different ways to reach your destination. At the top of this panel, you'll see an option labeled List. Click on this to view all available routes in a clear, organized format. This list view makes it much easier to compare different options side by side and see important details like estimated travel time, distance, and any potential delays or traffic conditions along each route. Now you can browse through the different route options that Waze has calculated for you. Each route will display unique information such as the expected arrival time, total distance, and whether there are any traffic jams, accidents, or road closures along the way. Take a moment to review these options and choose the route that best fits your needs, whether you're looking for the fastest route, the shortest distance, or want to avoid highways. Once you've decided which route works best for you, simply tap on your preferred route to select it, then click the Go button. This confirms your choice and starts the turn-by-turn navigation with your selected route. Waze will now guide you along this path with voice directions and visual cues. And that's it. You've successfully selected or changed your route in Waze, giving you full control over how you navigate to your destination. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.